I made $9,066 from a single video. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the same, no filming, no showing your face, just using AI. This Ronaldo story channel only has 6 videos and already gained 1 million subscribers. This channel was created recently and reached 100 million views with just 6 videos. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create similar videos.
Thank you.
What tools these creators use, and how to properly use AI to build strong, original content, including AI-generated videos featuring Ronaldo. Our plan is very simple. First, we generate images using any AI tool. Then we animate those images, add royalty-free music, and finally edit everything together to create a video for YouTube. First, we need to generate high-quality images, and for that, we need a good prompt. I've prepared a full prompt where each image is described in detail to make it easier for you. Just remember, all characters are fictional and only inspired by football players. They are not real people. These images were generated using artificial intelligence, so keep that in mind when creating your own. The prompt already includes the right phrasing to help you get high-quality results. You can download it from my Discord. The link is in the description. Just copy and paste the text into any image generation tool. My images are ready. I created 14, but you can make more, like 18 or 20. Next step, animating the images. And the best tool for this is Pixverse. Here, you can create animations of any complexity, whether it's a cartoon, comic, realistic, or anime. It offers many useful features that help us create a video. Let's go to the text or image section. Here, you can generate a ready-made video directly from my prompt without using images if that's more convenient for you. Or you can upload your own image, and Pixverse will animate it for you. It's up to you. Now for the settings. There are 3 models. Choose the newest one. 4.5. Set the video duration to 5 seconds, that's more than enough, and it helps save credits. Set the quality to 540 or 720. I'll choose 720 for better resolution. The format should be 9:16. This is ideal for YouTube Shorts. You can configure the camera animation, whether it moves forward, backward, left, right, or stays fixed on the character. That's up to you. It depends on the scene in your video. There are also 2 sections that control the animation quality and understanding. Standard is slightly lower quality, but in practice doesn't differ much. Experiment with both to see which you prefer. I'll test both. Upload your first image or paste the prompt from the instruction. If you're uploading an image, it's enough to write just a couple of sentences about what should happen in the animation. For example, in my case, 2 people are standing and laughing. That's more than enough for Pixverse to understand and create a good animation. Don't touch anything else, just click, generate, and wait. Pixverse creates animations very quickly. You won't need to wait 5 minutes for each one. Here's our first video. Just look at it. It looks high quality and smooth. Pixverse is used by many large channels with millions of views for creating their animations. Now let's make the next video. Upload a new image or write a new prompt. For this image, I write the following. A man is walking down the road with a cart. Don't change any settings except maybe the camera motion. This part is optional. Click generate and wait about 30 to 40 seconds. Done. Wow, friends, it looks very clean and high quality. Our character is walking with a cart without any glitches. Keep going in chronological order until your story is complete. Make sure to come up with your own plot or ask ChatGPT to help you write a touching and meaningful story. My plot is quite simple but emotional. A fictional AI-generated character, inspired by the appearance of a well-known football player, is shown as being poor and skinny. He tries to work and help others at the same time. He's kind, but others mock him and don't take him seriously. One day, he decides to change his life. He starts eating right, training, and continues doing good deeds. Meanwhile, other AI-generated characters who visually resemble Neymar and Messi laugh at him. But he works hard and eventually transforms himself, getting strong while staying kind. The ones who mocked him end up surprised. This is a simple yet powerful story, a message that you should always do good. At this point, I'm working on the final animation, a scene where the AI-generated character, inspired by Ronaldo's appearance, gives ice cream to kids, and they're all smiling. Awesome! As always, the animation looks clean and professional. Save all your videos into a separate folder so you don't lose them. Pixverse also has other useful features you might need. For example, transformation effects or transitions, which are helpful for specific types of videos. There's also a sounds section, where you can create custom sounds you need or generate full videos with sound, which is super convenient. It even offers voiceover generation. You can choose a male, female, or child voice. If your animation needs voice acting, be sure to use it. And finally, you can create your own character. Just generate an image, choose a style, and make a digital avatar. Many creators use Pixverse to create videos that reach tens of millions of views. Be sure to try it out. The link to Pixverse is in the description. Pixverse is one of the easiest and most powerful AI animation tools available today. You can animate any image or create full videos from just a text prompt, no design skills needed. It's perfect for short-form content like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. The tool gives you full control over video style, camera motion, and quality settings. Many successful creators use Pixverse to produce millions of views with storytelling content. If you're serious about making AI-powered videos, Pixverse is definitely worth trying. If you don't have access to a computer, no problem at all. Pixverse also has a mobile application that you can easily download from the Google Play Store or the App Store. With the mobile version, you can create professional-looking AI animations directly on your phone, whether you're at home, traveling, or even on your lunch break. The app allows you to animate images, add text, music, effects, and fully edit your content from start to finish. It's a perfect tool for beginners who want to make original, high-quality content without needing expensive equipment. When you're done, simply export your video and upload it to YouTube, all from your phone. This way, you can start building your audience and growing your channel anytime, anywhere, right from your pocket. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Once again, just a reminder, you can find the full prompt in my Discord. There are also tips there for animating images in Pixverse and creating the images themselves. The link to my Discord is in the description. After you're done with your animations, download all the necessary sound effects and a royalty-free track. Now we move on to the next step, editing. I'll be using CapCut, but you can use any video editor you're comfortable with. Create a new project and import all your assets, videos, sounds, music. Perfect. Now drag and drop all your animations in order, from the first to the last. I have quite a few, a total of 14 clips. Once everything is in place, go through each scene and trim any sections that have glitches or bugs. Make sure your final video looks smooth and clean without any unwanted frames. After that, let's add our royalty-free track. Drag it onto the audio timeline. The music should be sad and emotional to match the mood of our video. Trim the music to match the length of the video and lower the volume if needed. Now it's time to add various sound effects. Sound design is a very important aspect of these kinds of videos. Download sound effects that match the actions in your animation. For example, I'll need footsteps, cartwheels, laughter, market ambience, eating sounds, and surprise reactions. This is a basic sound pack that should be present in your story. Make sure to adjust the volume and blend the effects well with the rest of the audio. As a reminder, all characters in this video are fictional and generated using artificial intelligence. I'm teaching you a powerful niche and how to create original content. This niche is currently in demand, so my advice is to try it right now. I hope my tutorials are helpful and that you're learning something new. The most important thing on YouTube is consistency. I always tell that to my subscribers. You have to make high-quality, emotional videos that really grab the viewer's attention. That's what will make someone stay and maybe leave a like. But here's a common misconception. People think likes are the most important thing. In reality, the most important metric is watch time. Let's compare two scenarios. In the first one, the viewer leaves a like but watches only 1 minute. In the second one, they don't like the video, but they watch almost the whole thing, around 10 minutes. Which video do you think will get more views? Leave your answer in the comments. So if you want real results, push your video to perfection. Make something viewers will want to watch over and over again. Then results are absolutely guaranteed. I truly love YouTube for giving us the opportunity to make content and connect with an audience. If you still have questions about viewer retention, leave them in the comments. I'll answer all of them. Meanwhile, I'm almost done with my video. Just a few more sounds to add, and it's ready. We don't need any crazy effects or subtitles. The only thing I really recommend, grab a subscribe animation and place it in the middle or at the end of your video. That way, you'll get more subscribers naturally. Once you're finished, double-check your project, then click Export. Name your file and choose the best settings, just like I'm doing. 1080p quality, high bitrate, 60 frames per second, MP4 format. Click Export and wait around 2 to 3 minutes. The render is complete. Let's see how it turned out.
Thank you. Thank you.
It looks amazing. The video is super high quality and really engaging. What do you think, friends? Did you like it? Let me know in the comments. And now, the final step, uploading it to YouTube and hitting publish. Now we need to optimize the channel and create an avatar. Go to YouTube Studio, either on a new or old channel. My advice, give your new channel around 2 weeks before uploading content, or use an older one. Such channels may perform better in recommendations. Click on Settings in the bottom left, then go to the Channel tab. Add your keywords, for example, history, memes, Ronaldo. You can add more if you like. Then go to the Advanced Settings tab and make sure to select, No, this channel is not made for kids. This way, your content won't be placed in YouTube Kids. Great, now that the channel is optimized, let's create a profile picture. Go to ChatGPT and type the following. Generate a 3D avatar of a soccer player for me. Close up, at your discretion. Wait for your avatar to generate. Of course, you can make it differently if you prefer. Do whatever fits your style. Mine turned out great. I'll download it and go back to YouTube. Head over to the Customization tab and upload your avatar. I think it looks perfect. Optionally, you can add a banner and, of course, come up with a channel name, but that part doesn't really affect anything. Also, write a short description about your channel. Nice work. Everything is ready now. Let's upload our video to YouTube. You can take a competitor's title and modify it for your own video, as always. I simplified it to better fit my storyline and also added keywords right into the title. In the description, make sure to mention that all characters are fictional and created using AI. Don't forget to check the box that says, this content was generated with AI during upload. That's it. Wait for the upload to finish and publish your video. Congratulations, friends. Our first video is now live. Now you know how to create content like this. I hope it was useful and that you learned something new. That's it for today. I've shown you clearly and step-by-step how to create content in this niche with a character visually inspired by Ronaldo, how to build a story and generate videos. Just apply what I taught you and make high-quality original content. Let me know how things are going in the comments. We'll grow together. And if you want personalized advice or help launching your channel, join my community. We work together with subscribers to get results and activate monetization. The link is in the description. Also, check out my Telegram channel. I share lots of helpful stuff there, including editing packs and tutorials. All the links are in the description. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. And I wish you tons of algorithm reach.